folks, it's Mark, and I just got intel from the interweb that Norfolk Southern 174 has not one, but two heritage units on the point. So I'm going to take advantage of this opportunity and do a side-by-side video comparison of my recently acquired Samsung S21 Ultra, which I acquired a couple of weeks before they made the announcement of the S22 Ultra. Thanks, Samsung. Comparing it against my older GoPro 7 and my Nikon D500. So let's go ahead and head on down trackside and see what results we can come up with. That concludes the capture of Norfolk Southern 174 and testing out my new Samsung S21 Ultra. So we'll see you on the next video. Cheers!